Focus is on. Good morning, people. Good morning. 9:30. Mail. Unboxing time. Could be a Kickstarter. This could be a Kickstarter. Maybe not. Not like this. Oh, maybe, I don't know. That was quick. Not sure I need this, but it was in the bundle. These I do need. X-Man 45, 46 and 47. Now I just need X-Man 44, which I've ordered and should be on its way, and then I will have the entire X-Man collection. So, because I only needed 36 and 44 to 47. So, one more, and then I'll be able to do a You Complete Me for X-Man. And that's not far long to go. I'll look at my cable, I'm not sure. It says Blood Brothers Part 2 of 3. But if not, I can always sell it on eBay. And no, I've not started selling yet. I'll get to it. I've got a shitload of fucking comics, including variant issues, to fucking sell. So, yes. Yes. So, just gotta get it all organised, get envelopes and all that shit, and we'll see. But 3 more X-Man. So that's up to 4 now. So just one more to go. Peace and I'm out here.